In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a different header for the first page in a Microsoft Word document. This technique can be incredibly handy when you need a custom header on the first page of a report or an essay, leaving the rest of your document with a consistent header style. Let's dive in and make this happen smoothly. To get started, you'll need to open your Word document and navigate to the first page where you want to apply this unique header. Begin by double-clicking inside the header area of page 1. Doing this action will open the header and footer tools, which will be necessary for the changes we're about to make. Once you're in the header and footer tools, direct your attention to the Design tab. This is crucial, as all the functionalities we need are housed in this area. Now, on the Design tab, you'll find a section labeled Options. Within the Options group, you'll see a checkbox labeled Different First Page. Go ahead and check this box. What this does is tell Word that you want the first page to have a distinct header from the rest of the document. You'll notice that once this box is checked, the header on page 1 will be labeled as the first page header. If you decide to edit the footer, you'll also see that the label changes to first page footer. Now, with the first page header area active, you can customize it to suit your specific needs. Maybe you want to leave it blank, or perhaps you're adding a detailed project title. Whatever your choice, this header will now be exclusive to the first page of your document, providing a professional touch. With the first page header set up, let's talk about the rest of your document. Scroll down to page 2, or any page thereafter. Click into the header area of one of these pages. What you'll see is the regular header that applies to all subsequent pages. Feel free to tailor this header with any information or elements you wish, such as your name, document title, or even a page number. What's great about this system is that any change here will seamlessly apply to the rest of the document, maintaining uniformity throughout. And that's it. You've successfully set up a different header for your first page while ensuring consistent headers on all the following pages. This feature is an excellent way to keep your documents looking professional and organized, allowing the first page to stand out with its unique style. We hope this guide has empowered you to manage your document headers with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy document formatting!